Koisu 14 CSO ga loinana Delhi da khoi census tawgani hariba se yaithoknaba amasung NRC tawhannaba aduga mari leinaba wafam khara Delhi da leiba adumba political leadership ta akhoi piba yaba pressure pinanaba adugi wakhalon da akhoi apunba timamakhak akhoi Ngasi se akhoi Imphal thadoi Delhi gi damakta akhoi na Delhi da leigai gi manung da akhoi India gi home minister akhoi unanaba honagani aduga loinana akhoi tongan tongan ba te khara maru oiba key personalities khara akhoi unanaba akhoi target tawi aduga loinana akhoi gi Manipuri miyam gi oiba adumba ihul Manipuri miyam gi oiba asumba demand se masi akhoi center da lariba political leadership sina yamna serious oina lobina ba amasung chapchaba adumba decision ma bibina na bugi gamta akhoi piba yaba pressure akhoi tawnana ba adugi wakhalon da akhoi sasabani aduga loinana numini humni sige manungda chapchaba karigomba result ama akhoi center da lariba political leadership sirege akhoi phangba namda taragadi akhoi Manipura mo halaba matungda akhoi miyam ga loinana akhoi democratic oiba tawiyaba tongan tongan do makhal mathel ki oiba adumba movement sing akhoi tawnana ba adugi wakhal su akhoi makhata na thamjari.
Hi, good morning Manipur. I am Officer Thadokhre, the President of Commonwealth Manipur. Here with a team of 10 members from different communities, we are heading for Delhi to have consultation with the government of India on matters concerning census and NRC. We are having a discussion with the government of India, not having a confrontation, but to seek understanding regarding this census and NRC. NRC and census are very important, that it should be taken care seriously. So taking all this in mind, we also like to have a discussion keeping into our mind the interests of the people at the topmost priority.
I give me gakyam taimai I romai arinsium NTL gi youth vice president Ngasi Thursday numit sida akoi CSO akoi Manipur da leiba mi khara haibtare akoi tribe punamak ti yaude adubu anamba tribe pudi yauraga akoi ngasi akoi Manipur da sathariba NRC census gi masi sida akoi chaliba ngasi Delhi gi khungchat sida kitang oresu tanaba directly akoi direct face to face ngasi home minister Amit Shah ga onanaba akoi sileba se akoi mai paklagadi akoi na Manipur da thok leba masi NRC and census sigi sida akoi kitang oresu akoi Manipur hoji public mayam sida sangang lani ba si mayam se kitang oresu support ngadra haiba result se kusoi shodina phangani haiba anje thajara ngasi Thursday nomit August ki Thursday nomit sida akoi masigi akoi mi yahlomi haiba tare indigenous people lereba akoi Manipur da lereba mi akoi CSO mi polpli unate adu khara sina akoi lingjen manaraga anasi kungsa se thabani haiba wakom
I had Dr. K. Hira Kawai Nwengi President Ngasi koi Delhi da authorization gi unagada wase koi leibak sigi madonani aduna mayam sina tabi lingbiri sina hongodu ba haide koi leibak se ina tamna ba koi gi uliki wari samedi haide ro hai mangon oiraga lakpada mayam gi isode thomi dabada masine pangan oidan lakpare ka tasengba haide ge